everybody, I'm here today to show you something that you should not do when you are reversing out of a parking spot. In this video, I'll be going over something that you should avoid doing at all costs when you're leaving a parking spot in reverse. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So when you're reversing out of a parking spot, you're most likely going to be turning your steering wheel to one direction or the other. You're most likely going to be turning it to the right or to the left, okay? There are some times in which you'll be reversing straight out of a parking spot, but those times are rare for the most part. All right, so when you're reversing and you're turning your wheel, what should you not do? What should you avoid doing? Well, you should avoid cranking your steering wheel all the way to the left or significantly to the left, or all the way to the right or significantly to the right. Now, let me show you and explain why you should avoid doing this, because it's going to make you more likely to get into an accident or to cause damage to a car or a pedestrian or an object around your car. Right now, I'm parked in a parking spot, okay? And I'm parked in between two cars. Now, let's say sorry about that. Let's say I put my car in reverse, okay? And I'm ready to start reversing, and I want to turn my wheel to the left as I reverse. I'm going to start moving back. Obviously, I'm going to check my mirrors and look around the car before I start moving. I'm going to start moving back, and I'm going to start turning my wheel to the left. Now, as I turn my wheel to the left and I reverse and I'm moving backwards, what happens is the front of my car starts moving to the right. The front of my car starts swinging out to the right. Now, if I were to reverse out of this parking spot and crank my wheel to the left and start moving back, just like that, I'm moving back about an inch or two, my front end would swing out significantly to my right, which would likely cause my car to scrape and hit the car beside me on my right side, okay? And that's why you don't want to do it. Because if you turn your wheel while you're reversing significantly to the left, or all the way to the left, or significantly to the right, or all the way to the right, then what's going to happen is the front end of your car is going to swing out to the opposite end of the way that the wheel is turned, and you're more likely to hit a car or an object or a pedestrian beside you. And you definitely don't want to do that. So if I was to turn my wheel all the way to the right and I was to start reversing, the front end of my car is going to swing out to the left, which would cause me to be more likely to scrape that car on my left-hand side. Now, let me show you, as I go back into the parking spot, what I would recommend doing instead, because there's no point in telling you what you shouldn't do if I don't tell you what you should do. So what you want to do is put the car in reverse, do all of your safety checks. So check your mirrors, check all around your car, and then start reversing and turn your wheel just a little bit to the direction that you want to turn it. So let's say I wanted to turn my wheel to the left. Okay, I know that the front of my car would swing out to my right, so I'm going to turn the wheel just a little bit to the left. You can see it's like a quarter of a turn. And as I do that, the front end of my car is swinging out just a little bit to the right, and I'm keeping my eye over there so I know that it's not going to scrape the car. As I reverse out a bit more, I'm able to turn the wheel just a little bit more, as you can see, and then only when the front of my bumper, my front edge of my front bumper, is clear past the car right there, at that point, that's when I can crank the wheel. So now that my front bumper is cleared past the bumper of that car right there, I can crank the wheel all the way, because if my front end swings out, I know that I'm not going to scrape that car, just like I said before. So now that it's cleared past that car, I can crank the wheel all the way, turn my head, and when my front end swings out, I know that I'm not going to scrape that car. Now, just in the same way, let's say I wanted to do it the other way. So I'm just going to go in to the parking spot again. Let's say I wanted to turn the wheel to the right. I'm going to put the car in reverse, do all of my safety checks. Now, as I reverse, I'm going to turn the wheel, like I said, about a quarter of a turn, about 25% of a full turn. That's how much I'm turning the wheel, just a little bit. Like it was straight, a quarter of a turn. That starts to get the front end to swing out just a little bit. And obviously you might be really close and you might not even be able to turn it a quarter of a turn. But for the most part, that's what I'm demonstrating. But if a car is close to you, or if you're parked close to a car, you might not even be able to turn it a quarter of a turn. You might have to not turn it at all until you're clear past the car. So once again, a quarter of a turn, I'm holding it here. And now that my front bumper is cleared past that car, I'm able to crank the wheel all the way and continue to reverse. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you something that you should not do when you are reversing out of a parking spot. It's a simple thing that you should avoid doing. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.